How to send a Word document to Google Drive. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can send a Word document to Google Drive. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First thing what you need to do is you'll have to download the Word document to your desktop here. Now here you can see on my downloads I've downloaded the document, Word document sample 1. This is just the sample that I'll be showing you. You can download it from MS Word directly to your computer. You can click on save as option and then click on save to computer. Now once you save it, what you want to do is head into your Chrome or any browser and head into drive.google.com. Simply type in drive.google.com and it should take you to Google Drive here. Once you type in drive.google.com correctly, you can see you'll be headed directly into Google Drive here. Now what you want to do is log into your account. You can see I'm already logged in. Simply click on the plus icon at the left hand side of your screen and then click on file upload, and once you click on file upload, head into the folder where you have saved the file or the Word document. Now in my case you can see here on the downloads, and simply click on open. Now once you do this, it will be uploaded here. You can see uploading one item, and once it's uploaded you can find it here. Now what you're going to do is on the document at the right hand side you'll find three dots option. Simply click on three dots there, click on copy link, and you'll be able to share copy link and share it, or you can simply click on share and you'll be able to share it. So this way you can send a Word document to Google Drive. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.